Expectations out of any relationship a kind of belief for an individual to have. Now, always there are today's blog we are going to talk about the five expectations the relationship, which is the title of the deck that you have already seen. So even before that, let me welcome you formally to our blog. This is Siddharth World and I am Siddharth, welcoming you all to my channel. Okay, so to begin with, five pillars that are the key expectations out of a relationship, be it between life partners, be it between friends, be it between colleagues. So the first thing that we are talking about today is warmth or affection. Affection to all. The affection to all is the warmth, the emotion that you have with the other person, be it yourself, be it your friend, be it your close ones. Warmth that you are sharing with them is the most critical one, because if you don't have this warmth, if you don't have this affection to that other person, the second part or the second expectation in this is, I would say, love, the emotion, the warmth, the feeling of someone being with you, someone being protective. Point of time, you will have that one person whose warmth, whose feeling you will have felt in your life, and that feeling is the bigger one. So love is very important in a relationship, because if there is no love, there is no blossom. Love is like that affection. You need that love, that kindness, that heart, that purity of heart in every relationship. Understanding, and the next one is responsibility. Now let's discuss. Well, to speak of with, understanding and responsibility are the two things that is very much necessary. Understanding is between life partners, understanding is between friends, whomever you take it, be it with your parents, be it with your cousins, be it with your sisters. Understanding is the most important thing that has to be there. Now, from understanding only the responsibility comes. Responsibility towards the other person, responsibility towards your friends, responsibility towards the person with whom you are interacting. So responsibility is very much important, and responsibility should be considered, because without being a responsible person, and so you have to realize understanding, responsibility, both are so hand in hand important, and without these two things, the pillar of relationship will break down, because these are the two things that brings two persons together. And coming on to the last is trust. Trust is something which is very critical. It's like a piece of thread, and there are two ends to the thread, but when you put pressure on the middle, which is the weakest point, that is where the trust is being tested. You can trust, a person will trust as long as that person can believe you, that person can understand you. But slightly insecurity, things that are getting hidden words are getting connected to the main word. So trust and insecurity go hand in hand. But we are not talking about insecurity, we are talking about trust. But what is trust? Trust is something when your life partner believes you, in your life, when your friend believes you and you believe your friend. In friendship point of view, you talk, two friends are having trust on each other, but suddenly one person breaks that trust. The other person will always suffer. The other person will always have that pain. The other person will always feel that why that person cheated me. And believe me or not, once trust is broken, if you break with your friend or anybody, believe it or not, that trust cannot be recovered again. Coming on to the final conclusion of this, 5 things we discussed today. trust, love, affection, understanding, responsibility. These are the five elements. So we talk about trust, we talk about love, we talk about affection, we talk about understanding, we talk about responsibility. These are the five pillars of any relationship. And if these five are always standing together, tall to each other, and becoming the strength of each other, then no relationship in this world will break or will shake or will have a doubt or crack. These things, wherever you feel these are getting weak, please work on it and make it stronger, because it is that beautiful moment of life which is gifted to you, that relationships are very very important. When a relationship breaks, it not only breaks a relationship, but it also relationships, these are the beautiful moment. If a relationship breaks, it not only breaks the person, but it also breaks the person's belief, faith, trust, which is one of the core element. And when that breaks, no person in this planet earth can believe it or can rework back on this. So kindly don't ever think of breaking this. Maintain your relationships. This is more important to you, rather than thinking anything else, because this is more important. So that is the end of this blog and end of the episode of Coffee with Sid, and I hope you have liked it. I thank to all the subscribers who have joined my channel and who have subscribed to my channel in the last a couple of hours or couple of days. Please do watch the video, please do like